One of the astonishing cultures of the Thai cuisine is the use of forks and spoons instead of chopsticks. This is contrary to what you would expect, considering the Chinese had invented chopsticks a long time ago that spread really fast to Japan, Korea, Vietnam and other Southeast Asian countries. But chopsticks never took off in the same way in Thailand as they did in other Southeast Asian countries. In the past, the Thais used to eat with their hands. When Thailand modernized, they were more in contact with European powers than the Chinese and opted for fork and spoon. Since the early 19th century, the fork and the spoon are the primary eating utensils in Thailand after the royal family asked the people to start using them. The story goes like this. One of the kings of the Chakri dynasty, Rama IV, had a dinner with the council from the Europe and was fascinated by the use of fork and spoon. This is when the king adopted fork and spoon and rejected the knife that was considered as a weapon and was not necessary to cut anything in a traditional Thai meal. To be truthful, chopsticks are used in Thailand primarily when eating noodles.